What are they putting in this thing? Let me know in the comments if you also experienced that. Makartt Polygel. Is it better than the original Gelish Polygel? That's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. I've been testing the set that I did before Valentine's Day for exactly a month now. And so I wanted to share all the good and the bad things that I've experienced when rocking this Makartt Polygel for 4 weeks. I'll discuss the application process. Was it easy to manage? Did it cure as it should? Did it burn? The longevity and performance? Did the polygel maintain its shape? Did the top coat keep its shine? Are there any lifts? And the cost benefit and my overall opinion when using this product in comparison to the original polygel from Gelish. So if you're thinking about buying the Makartt Hybrid Gel or Polygel Nail Extension, because technically the word polygel is trademarked by Gelish, then please keep watching. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Luciana and I'm a makeup enthusiast and DIY nail doer who won't shut up about sunscreen. I love reviewing products and sharing everything I learn here on this channel so we can all be informed users when it comes to nail, makeup, and skincare. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe. Alright, so let's talk about the application process. The Makartt Polygel is very sticky and annoying to work with in comparison to the Gelish one. I used 70% isopropyl alcohol to aid in the manipulation of the product as recommended by the brand, but it wasn't that effective in keeping the product from getting stuck to the brush. So sticky. It also doesn't smell as good as the Gelish one. Actually, it doesn't have any particular smell. It's just that the Gelish Polygel has a very pleasant scent that lingers for quite a few days on your nails. The scent comes mostly from their slip solution, but their polygel itself does have some of the same scent. Just FYI. It's like alcohol that smells really good. Alright, going back to the Makartt Polygel, it cured as it should within 60 seconds using an LED UV lamp, but does it burn?
Watch your profanity.
Their product burns a lot when curing under the UV lamp. And that was kind of alarming. Like, what are they putting inside this thing? Mostly my fault, since some of the product was in contact with my skin when I used the dual forms. And if you also do your nails like I do, we know that that's not recommended. But you know, I didn't have a lot of patience. I could fix it later with my nail drill, so I just left it there. But that has never happened with the Gelish Polygel, even when leaving some product on my skin before curing it. So concerning. Some burning, or what's called heat transfer, it's normal when curing gel products under the UV light, but that was next level painful. Let me know in the comments if you also experienced that when curing Makartt Polygel. It will be interesting to see how many people have the same experience. Now let's go over the longevity and performance. I am pleasantly surprised at how well my nails maintain their shape. If we do a side-by-side comparison, I think it's safe to say that their shape hasn't changed that much over 4 weeks. I have some dip over here because of the inlays that I mixed as I showed on my previous nail video. So one of the nail flakes got cured right at the tip, which compromised the structure of the polygel. So if it wasn't for that, it would have been the same as all the other nails. So fine, okay? I'll admit that all of you who left comments on my original upload of the video what I love and hate about polygel nails, all of you were right. Makartt Polygel does maintain its shape, much better than the Gelish one. But I wonder if that's because of the top coat.
Wow, that's a great question.
Is the Makartt top coat more long-lasting than the Gelish one, and therefore it kept the polygel protected for longer? I believe so. Not only that, but the Makartt product is a lot sturdier than the Gelish Polygel. Look at the difference when I try to take off some product, when both have no top coat. Well done, Makartt. Well done. The Makartt top coat is a true winner. The shine is still here, even after 4 weeks, both on top and underneath the nail. Look at that. This is an amazing product. Much better than the top coat that came with the Gelish kit, that's for sure. With that one, after 2 weeks, your nails are all sad, no more shine, the polygel is exposed, hence contributing to the nails losing their shape, as I mentioned on this video over here. What I love and hate about polygel. The con section. Now let's talk about lifts. I didn't use any dehydrator or primer. I only prep my nails properly and apply the base coat. I do have some lifts around the cuticle area, especially on the fingers that get the most use. These 3 fingers over here. These are always the ones that will have more lifts because you use them the most. So these two, God, I'm gonna have cramps on my fingers. So these two barely have any lifts. Overall, it did a pretty good job keeping itself attached to my nails. But I should also mention that my natural nails are not oily. So if you do have naturally oily nails, you might need a dehydrator or a primer to make your nails last as long as mine did. Because look at them. They're in pretty good shape for 4 weeks. If I clean around the edges, remove the old top coat and stickers, reshape the nails and level it good so you won't have a bump over here, and then apply a new layer of top coat to make everything smooth, this can go on for at least another 2 weeks before I need a new set or a refill. So I don't think the Makartt Polygel lifted more or less than the Gelish one. I think they are pretty much on the same level. They're both really good products in terms of very little lifting and staying power. And now for the last part of this video, let's talk cost benefit and my overall opinion using this product. I bought this Makartt Hybrid Gel Kit for $27 on AliExpress and the Gelish French Kit for $92 in 2019, which is expensive, but it comes with the pH bond and the slip solution that the Makartt kit doesn't have. Now this Makartt kit comes with the dual forms as well, which the Gelish doesn't. And considering the fact that you can use just 70% alcohol as a slip solution, right? So you don't need to buy the slip solution from Gelish, and alcohol costs like very little. So if you want the practicality of using dual forms, then the Makartt kit, you know, it's a good choice. But since these two kits contain different products with different quantities, comparing them is not the most effective way to see which one will cost you less. So if I would focus only on the big size polygel tubes, both from Gelish and Makartt, for this price comparison, the Gelish Polygel is more expensive in terms of the cost for the amount of product. And as an additional point for Makartt, I like that the brand offers many different colors to choose from, while Gelish Polygel comes only in these. And we all know that it's better to use colored nail enhancements instead of putting nail polishes on top of them. So when considering cost benefit, better performance, and more colors to choose from, then Makartt Polygel is the best product to buy. Sorry, Makartt Hybrid Gel or Poly Nail Gel Extension. But I just want to mention that I find it odd that I can't see where the Makartt product is manufactured. I know it's a Chinese brand, so I'm assuming it's manufactured there. I don't know, their About Us page is so vague and it just gives me some weird vibes, like, well, why are you hiding? Why there's no address? Look, there's nothing written on the kit box besides their social media handles, right? Also on the back of the products tube, like there's just their social media handle. Why? Where are you guys? If someone needs to contact you, okay, you have a phone number and an email on the website, that's great. But why? Why are you not sharing? Am I being too nosy? Like, am I worrying too much about this? Gelish is a bit more transparent in that sense. I think it's something to consider. Anyway, I hope this video was useful to you, to help you make a decision if you should buy the Makartt Polygel or not. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you have a lovely day ahead of you, and now you can click on this video over here to watch me break down what I love and hate about polygel nails.
Bye, love you.